Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Nano Banana in Gemini for free. Now, there are several methods in order to use it. The first one is to simply go and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the chat first, then go and click on Nano Banana. Click on Try Nano Banana. Then here I'm gonna type simple prompt to create an image of a cat, for example, wearing a costume. Then I'm gonna click on Run, and this is the first option that you can actually do. Now, the second thing that you can actually use is to simply go and search for Gemini AI, then open it like so. And now what you should do is simply go and click on this tools, then click on create image. This is gonna use Nano Banana. And now I'm gonna type create an image of a cat wearing pirate costume handling a double barrel shotgun. So this is how you can actually use it. Different approaches that you can actually use in order to use Nano Banana. You can use it on Gemini, you can use it on Google AI Studio, as I mentioned, and as I show you at the first, but I'm just having a small problem with the internet, so it couldn't actually make my own photo, but here, as you can see, you have it. This is generated by Nano Banana. Okay, another approach is that you can type nanobanana.ai on the browser, then click on start editing. Then you can upload an image. I'm gonna upload an image of me, for example. Yes, this one. I think this one is good. I want to make it in a cartoon way, and I need a background of let's say flowers. This is just for the demonstration. You can do this for an image, or you can click on text to image, and it will generate the image from the text prompt that you have actually typed. It will take some time, but you need to know that this tries are limited, so you cannot actually generate unlimited times of. And now here, as you can see, I have my photo. You can now download it like so. And this is it. This is how you can actually use Nano Banana on Gemini or any other AI. And I hope this video is useful to you all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.